Today we are doing the helicopter-only challenge in Warzone, so go ahead and enjoy. Battlefield 6 is gonna have a free battle royale.
Stop it.
Yep.
Let's do this. That is so nice.
Isn't that gonna be sick? And there's gonna be tanks and stuff.
This is the strat. This is the strat. We literally wait.
We just camp.
Until like everyone is gone, right? Oh my gosh, I got a rocket launcher. We get in the helicopter and just fly around the whole game.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down.
And you want to use throwing? This is gonna be hard, man.
I know. Should I go really high in the air?
Yes. You have to get out of
Pick-
people. That's as high as you can go.
Yeah, I guess I can just go to the other side.
Holy voice crack, dude.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Bro, we're just camping right now.
Right here.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright, we're just sitting here in a helicopter. I found some. Look at this, look at this. There's a guy right here. Oh! Oh, I hit him! I got him down! I swear to God. I want to kamikaze someone again. That was funny.
Bro. Hopefully your mom, or not your mom, your
Grandma.
has a message. Message on Instagram to say, Brady, this is not good. You should not be promoting Call of Duty. This shouldn't happen.
True story, by the way.
Or find me someone, I will try and blow them up.
There's one guy directly under us.
Hold on. Hold on. Move to the left. Move to the left. Come on. I missed.
Oh.
Wait, actually, I hit him.
You hit him. You got any more or not?
Oh my god. Bye.
Okay. Oh!
Trying to hit that. Oh my god. Hit him. Hit him.
Yo, I'm trying! Oh, I got him! Where is he? Can I kamikaze him?
Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh. Oh, there's a guy. Oh!
After this one.
Bet. Ah! Oh my god. We're doing the Oli helicopter challenge.
Yeah.
This is gonna get so many views. Ah! They're so cute, by the way. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Cute.
Yeah.
What the heck? Ew.
I'm reloading.
On mark. No, there's one over there.
Yep.
Where's
And
the other one?
the other one is over by the tower.
Moving in this area. Scratch
Over
that.
that way. Yeah.
And then. You can go to the other one, I guess.
That. But there is one right here. Alright, bet. Alright, I got a helicopter.
Bro, he sucks so bad at the game, you have to highlight freaking close up.
Yo, this is gonna be sick. Ah! This is the best idea we've ever had. Yo, Tyler, I'm gonna fly in formation. Oh, wait, I'm gonna get this guy. No, don't do that. That'll mess up the whole thing. Alright, dude, there's so many guys. Just... Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get this kill real quick. Oh! I got him down. Wait, did I? Yes, I killed him! I killed him! I'm going really low to the ground, so right when people parachute, I just get them out of the air. Yo, this helicopter is low-key kind of fast. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get a kill. I'm gonna get a kill. This guy. Come here. No! Oh my god, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get this. I got a dude! I got another one! Nope, I'm getting shot. Okay, I'm low-key smoking right now. Okay, so every time we lose a heli, I think we should leave the game and restart. Well, yeah, because there's no more helicopters, so if these get destroyed... No, only 2 of them spawn a game, I guess. Oh, I'm getting shot. absolutely obliterated.
Lighting up my helicopter.
Yo, use flares. I think flares help against bullets. I don't know. A dude. There's a dude. Nope. Oh, there's a dude! Oh! They're probably like, why are there so many helicopters? Oh my god, I'm so close on getting these guys. We're gonna get a win by doing helicopters only. Yep, there's a guy right here. Oh. Oh, I got hits on him, though. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy! Oh! Right here. Right here. Where's my dad? He said he would pick me up in the helicopter.
Okay.
Where's
I'm
my
not your
dad?
dad, bro. I'm not.
There he is. Let's go, buddy. Should I gun people down? Should we add like machine gunners so like gun people down?
Oh my god.
Let's get like Nick the Moss and Nick Greasy to do helicopter only challenge.
Reloading.
Oh! Yeah, pick me up. Just pick me up. Pick me up. Pick me up. Go down. Go down. Just. Yep. No, I can't.
Like, coordination for it.
My FPS low-key kind of slow right now. All right, let's go.
Yeah, this is running an absolute crappy college-wise line.
Helicopter only challenge.
My helicopter slow people up.
Yo, wait. Should I get some loot and then you can pick me up and I'll just like snipe?
That's up to you. Do you want to go to loadout?
The loadout drop.
Low key, I can do that, and then.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get absolutely split up.
No, you're not, because I'm just gonna do this.
Changing mags.
Get in! Get in!
Taking effective fire.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Got it.
It's getting lit up.
I'm over here.
Hold on.
Moving here.
Bro, hold on, I'm coming.
Moving.
I'm coming!
Taking effective fire.
No! Let me in! Let me in! Go up! Turn around so I can kill him. Hold on, stay still. I'm not hitting him.
Dude, your aim is absolutely horrendous.
Okay, I don't know if I. Oh, I do have a grenade
Wait, hold on.
below us. Okay. I'm hitting him.
Hold on.
Got another one.
Let's go.
I have 8 ammo, bro.
Dude, that dude right there.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's getting lit up right now.
Alright, I have a pistol. That's all I have. Here, I'm gonna go get some more ammo. Down with our guys over here. Alright, pick me up. Please. Right here. Here we go. I'm in.
I think yeah, it's about to blow up.
Oh, is it?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's just thug it out.
Okay, I got it. Thug it out. Oh my gosh,
After this?
yeah.
Alright. You know what I'm saying? As long as you keep making content, it will pay off eventually.
Stop. Hey, bro, I'm not even gonna lie. Future, low-key. I wouldn't say best artist.
Fire.
He's a pretty good artist.
Switching mags.
Yeah, you know who's better?
Tyler, the creator.
Okay. You know who I'm talking about?
Wait, who?
Okay.
Cupcake.
You know who that is?
Cupcake's pretty hot.
No, that artist that's doing the mix.
Okay.
What?
Lil Barnacle?
Aren't
Sorry, I'm kind of like locked in right now.
what you know about you know my
I don't know.
we're gonna be doing live getting
Let's get it.
Yeah, and then it's just a part of the video where I'm just drooling. And you're trying to like wake me up or
Tyler, wake the fluff up. Alright, we're gonna win this match, guys.
Even though we are low-key like cheating a little bit.
It's okay. That's why the video's gonna be we tried.
I'm using a musket.
That's a thing in this game.
Give me your challywaggies!
Give me your Krabby Patties. A musket?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Hold on. I'm on the ship. There's some dude on the ship. I don't know where he is.
Oh, he's above you.
He is above me?
Yeah, hold on. Alright, he's down.
What? Where is this dude?
Okay, I don't know, but I knocked him.
Scary.
I was the knight
he's in
in
the
shining armor. What? He might. Yeah, I probably fell in the water, Loki.
I'm gonna try and kill him with the sniper.
Okay, this isn't good.
Oh my gosh. I have no clue where this dude. Oh, yeah, they're just.
Okay, this is bad. Oh, he's dead.
Just literally like camp them.
That's it.
And then you should win.
Stuck in my butt.
Okay. Alright, so we need to put down the mic and actually.
Stuck in my butt.
Okay, buddy.
This is stuck in my butt.
When you go to like the pink club, right?
Oh, he's definitely in the water.
Watch out by that ladder.
Take cover.
Oh, dude, he's
There
cooked.
we go.
W Riz.
Alright, I'll play with you tomorrow.
Alright, ladies, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe.
I ain't never letting go.